Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. We have lots of color today. Black color, purple, dark green, orange, light green, neon, pink and grey. And we have some sparkle color also. Pink, green, golden. Red color. A for arrow, A for aeroplane. B for butterfly, B for banana. C for carrot, C for candy. D for donut, D for dog. E for egg, E for eggplant. F for flowers, F for fruit. G for goat, G for guitar. Dark green color. H for house, H for hand, I for eyes, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jug. K for king, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lime. M for mango, M for magic. N for nose, N for nest. Brown color. O for owl, O for orange. P for papaya, P for piano. Q for quiz, Q for queen. R for ring, R for red. S for star, S for strawberry. T for tiger, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for unicorn. Dark blue color. V for village, V for vegetable. W for water, W for watermelon. X for xylophone, X for Christmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yellow color. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. So kids, red color, green color, brown color, red color, dark green color, brown color and dark blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.